This is the Dalori IDP camp in Maiduguri in northeastern Nigeria. It's home to thousands that have been displaced by attacks in the region by Boko Haram militants. Those here say that it's not much, but at least their children are safe and have a place to call home, albeit temporarily. Across the border in Chad, at the Kuseri camp on the shores of Lake Chad, the same story.
Boko Haram burnt my village and killed 3 people. One of them was my neighbor. We fled that night. I'm suffering here with my children. My husband went back to check if any of our crops are still there.
An increase in attacks by the militant group has led to the displacement of almost 1.4 million children in both northeast Nigeria and neighboring countries. That number is proving to be a logistical quagmire for the humanitarian organizations, as nearly 1.2 million of those children displaced are under 5 years. And now the WFP is expressing concern that the security crisis could lead to prolonged hunger.
The people here have fled the islands because they have seen the parents or their children being killed by Boko Haram, and they had no other option. Now they are here, they have nothing, and they need our support. WFP is here. We are providing food to about 2,000 people today, but the needs are growing and we need more and more support.
Inasmuch as the governments of the affected countries and partners are working to provide for the displaced children, much of the needed aid which comes from the United Nations is still unavailable, leaving them at a stalemate on how to provide the much-needed health and educational facilities needed at the camps. Mirungu, CCTV.